Hello, welcome to Matthew Sweigart's Heart Mind Qigong channel. I just wanted to say, a lot of Qigong teachers out there teach from a martial arts Tai Chi perspective. And if that's what you're looking for, you might as well switch off because that's not what I teach from. I'm a healing artist. I've been in the healing arts for years. I've taken a few martial arts classes. I've done a little Aikido and a little Tai Chi, not much. Never been a great fan of the idea. I like to do Qigong because it's fun, it's healthy, my students love it, and we have a good time doing it. And so today I want to just bring you this message of joyful appreciation for life in your body and how it's showing up for you right now, however it may be showing up for you right now. And that ain't always easy, because sometimes life shows up hard. But if you can drop into a Qigong state, you can create greater ease, greater flow, greater connection, and greater acceptance of where you are right now. So today I want to bring you a really simple movement. It's a pair of movements, actually. It's been variously called pull down the heavens, paint the sky, hands passing clouds. There are a lot of beautiful poetic names for it, and it really is poetry in motion. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know where I'm going with the tapping and the joint rolling and the ringing the temple bell and the small heavenly circle meditation, getting grounded, getting centered, getting connected into your body, to your mind and your spirit, getting that balance and alignment. And this is one of those movements that we do in my regular Qigong classes that I totally appreciate. And my students love this, okay? So we'll start in a simple Wu Ji, stacking the bones position. You're already familiar with this one. This is the foundation movement in Qigong, stacking the bones. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, and soften into that. And you can stand still exercise for up to 20 minutes to get great benefit. And often it is said that the first 90 seconds in standing this way, it's just relaxing. Learning to relax and become upright at ease. Yeah, so just take a moment to drop in. The more experienced you are, the quicker you can get to that upright at ease place. And then from that upright at ease place, I want you to acknowledge the earth beneath you. Turn your hands flat to the earth, then sweep them out to the sides about the level of your waistline. Turn the palms upward and reach up toward the sky. And then this is the pulling down the heavens gesture. And ultimately, of course, you don't have to pull down the heavens. The heavens are already shining light down upon us. We'll do a few of these, though, and you can just get into this feeling of connecting yin and yang, heaven and earth. Yeah, nice. And it doesn't matter if your movement is perfectly symmetrical. Just let your body go where it needs to go. Yeah, 3 times is good. And then from here, return to the stacking the bones and float the hands up to hold a golden ball. Fill it with color. And then flip the arms, hands forward, and glide side to side in a gesture I like to call painting the sky. It's like finger painting. Color the sky. Yeah, it's like you're painting rainbows across the clouds. And follow the breath. It's a really simple gesture. Don't make it more complex than it is. Don't turn it into some sophisticated method of self-defense. Just enjoy. Enjoy. And if you want, sing a song. Find a song in your heart. Match the Qigong movement of painting the sky with something musical. It could be a happy song. It could be a sad song, upbeat or slow, ballad, whatever works for you. And just paint the sky nice and easy. You might imagine doing this as if you were holding one of those elegant fans and doing fan qigong, or painting the sky. Woo. Let out the sigh. Breathing is an essential part of qigong. Feel your whole body, mind, body in harmony. And slowing it down, gather all that essence, that color, that experience into your hands, into a great big ball. And it's like you're molding that ball. And then we'll just simply close this little mini practice with 3 more. Radiant heart. Pull down the heavens. Yes, nice breath. Oh, good. One more time, nice and easy. All promoting ease, flow, and a deep sense of fulfilling connection. Bring your hands together in front of your heart and gently bow. And take a moment to just acknowledge yourself for taking this 3 minutes of your life to get in closer connection with your heart space, with that joyful place inside you, with that place that is whole. Thank you very much, Matthew Sweigart. If you like what you're hearing here and like what you're experiencing, consider coming and joining us in our online Qigong. There's a tab somewhere on this video where you can click through and find out just how you can become a subscriber. Thanks you very much. Of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's keep doing Qigong for our health, for our joy, for our fulfillment. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy springtime on its way.